Okay, we will start the class. Good morning to everyone. See, in the today's class, we will be discussing with the first and follow sets. Very important from your examination point of view, as well as lab program also. We will be using this particular concept. So I'll repeat this point once again. So this is very important from your examination point of view. Definitely they will be asking first and follow, as well as in your lab also. Lab program we will be following. So in this particular case, what we will be discussing means, so first, so in that particular case, I'll write it here. Okay. So first we will be getting we will start with the first set. So how it will be working? So first point is, so if X is a terminal, I'll repeat once again. If X is a terminal, terminal means I'm going to write here only small letters which are going to represent it as small letters. So if X is a terminal, that is a small letter, what we will be following in this particular, then first of X will be X itself. So we will be writing only the terminal parts here. If you're going to get the terminals, I'm going to write the terminals here. If X is a terminal, if it is a small letter, directly we are going to write first of X as what? Small letter. Whatever the terminal part you're going to get, we will be writing. Second thing, if X is a non-terminal, non-terminals means capital letters. Letters, so we will be representing uppercase letters. I can say it is uppercase letter, or it is variables. So if non-terminals is nothing but your uppercase letters, or if it is a variables capital letters, what we will be getting next, you have to check whether you are going to get the sequence X implies whether it is y1 comma y2 y3 up to, if it is yk, if you are going to get the production like this, so we will be checking which is an external part and we will be forming that particular operation if it is a non-terminal. Next we will be looking with respect to your epsilon part, that is if you are going to get empty, that is X implies if it is epsilon, so if it is epsilon, so we will be adding, then add epsilon to first of X. Of X. This is what three conditions you will be getting in the first set. I understand you are not understood anything, I know that. While solving the problem, we will be using this particular thing so that we will be applying. See, this is very important from your examination point of view as well as your lab program also. We will be making use of first and follow set. First, we will be calculating your first set. To solve the first set, in your notes also I given some 3 points is there, or I can say it as what, 3 algorithms. Algorithms is there. First algorithm and follow algorithm. In the first algorithm, we will be following 3 steps. I'll repeat once again. In the notes, if you see the first and follow set, in the first, you will be getting 3 steps. You will be getting to solve the first sets. You will be having 3 important steps. First, whenever it is a terminal letters, whenever it is a small letters, you are going to get first of X. We are going to write it as what? Terminals, is whatever the terminals you are going to get. If it is a non-terminal or with respect to the uppercase letter, we will be following which set you will be getting the terminal part, and we will be substituting that particular case. If third one, if it is an epsilon, we will be adding epsilon not to the first. So we will solve the problem. Before solving the problems, everyone I'm going to tell, I'll show you, I'm going to display here once again. See, this is what notes are sent to your group. What I want to say is, this is what we will be discussing today's class, first and follow set. See, to solve the first problems, first set problems, we will be applying 3 steps here. I'll repeat once again. To solve the first sets, so we will be applying 3 steps here. Can you see here? First one, what he has told, if X is a terminal, then first of X is equal to X. If it is a non-terminal, we will be using certain cases and we will be substituting and we are going to arise the solution. This is what the steps they have told. Third, if it is an epsilon, we will be adding epsilon to the first. So we will start solving the problem. Everyone write the heading as problem. Write the heading as first set. Write the heading as problem. Write the heading as first and follow set. Write the heading as first set. In that one, you write on the heading as problem. I'll explain that so that you will understand better in this particular way. First one, X implies small a. For the question we will be solving now for the problem for the first set. Okay. So if you have completed this one, you just inform me. We will move to the solution part. So whenever I am going to solve the problem, you will be understanding better. Once you are going to complete this one, you just inform me. Once you have completed, you just inform me. Once you have copied the question, X implies AB. So once you have copied, please inform me. We will solve the solution once you have completed. Rohan, shall we move to the solution?
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't write anything. Observe here. See, this is very important from your examination point of view as well as your lab exam point of view also. One program we will be applying the first and follow. As the name indicates that whenever we need to calculate the first set, we need to apply the 3 steps. We have to check for terminal is there, we are going to write as it is. If it is a non-terminal is there, we need to make some calculation. I'll tell that particular calculation. If it is an epsilon, we need to add epsilon to the first of thing. So 3 points will be there. Whenever you are going to get the first term as terminal, or you may get non-terminal, or you may get epsilon. These are the various cases we will be getting. For this particular case, first of x, if you see first of x, so if you see first of x directly, you will be getting what? Anybody? What you got? What you got? Small a and b. Small letter indicates your terminal part. Capital letter indicates your non-terminal part. Directly, if you are going to get the terminal part in the starting case, you will be writing as it is. So this is what first of x is equal to a. So for example, if you are going to get capital letter, we will solve in the next particular problem. Second one, you see, I'll solve this one. So you will understand. Don't write, you can write first 2 problems solved what together. X implies capital A, B, C. So A, B, C is there. We are going to continue the production. A implies small a. We are going to make B implies small b. Capital C implies small c. We will be getting. So if you see this particular case, in this particular solve, so first of x, what you are going to get in this particular case, you are going to get the non-terminal capital letters you are getting. So previous problem you got small letter, so that we have written directly small letter. If you are going to get non-terminals, or you are going to get variables, first what I am going to do, first of x, what you are going to get the first variable in your right side production, you are going to get first of a, you will be getting. In this particular A, you have to go. A implies small a is there. Small a means what? So that is your terminal part. So that I am going to write it as what? I am going to write it as what? Small a. So if you see the A production, we have not continued the capital B. If capital B would have been there, we would have been arise another B. So we will stop here only. Why? Because first of A we got only the terminal part. I am going to write only small a and I am going to stop the solution. Have you understood first two problems or shall I explain once again? We will solve few more. This one I am talking with respect to first and second. Any doubts you got? I want response from your side. Rohan, shall I explain once again?
Sir, explain.
Sir, there
Second
is
one.
A, B, C, all is there, na sir? Then why
So
only we
all is there.
first of
Yes,
sir?
yes. Once again. So capital letter all is there. A, B, C. But whenever we are going to continue the production with respect to A, we need to concentrate only with respect to the A production. So whenever we are going to concentrate with respect to the A production, you may get only terminals or you may get non-terminals or you may get epsilon. So in that particular case, we used to concentrate only with respect to A. For example, in this particular problem, if they would have been given B, so we would have been solved next particular B. The production would have been continued. So in that particular B, small letter B was there, so that we will be applying B here. So in this particular case, we got only the small letter A. We are going to stop the production in the first of A itself. We will not continue here. Vivek, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ explain ಮಾಡ್ಲೇನಪ್ಪ?
Sir,
Vivek.
second one ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ explain ಮಾಡಿ sir.
I'll explain both of them. One, don't worry. So look here. See what we will be doing in this particular concept, today's concept, we are going to do first and follow set. I'll repeat once again. In the today's topic, we are going to deal first and follow sets. To solve the first, we will be having three important steps. If you see the notes also, I have given 3 points here. So which are the 3 points here means? So whenever you are going to solve the problem in the right side of your production, I'll repeat once again, in your right side of your production, you will be getting 3 possible cases. Which are the 3 possible cases you are going to get? You get terminals, you get non-terminals, or you may get epsilon. These are the 3 possible cases you will be getting in your right side of your production whenever we are going to solve the problem. Whenever you are going to get starting as terminals only, whenever you are going to get starting as terminal, terminal means small letter or small case letter, you are going to write the solution as it is with respect to small case letters only. No changes we are going to make. Directly if you are going to get, for example, if you see the first problem, X implies small letter A is there. Small letter A is nothing but your terminal. Capital letter B is nothing but your non-terminal. Whenever you are going to start your production, first symbol what you are going to get, if it's terminal, you are going to write as it is. Okay. The second possible case, if you are going to get the non-terminal part, means we are going to move the we are going to continue the production. For example, X implies capital letters A, capital letter B, capital letter C you got. For example, I'll repeat it once again. For example, if you're going to get X implies A, B, C, first you are going to check in the A production. In the A production, any terminal is there. Any terminal is there, you will be checking. If you're going to get the terminal directly, you will be retaining the answer at what? Small letter A. Okay, if you're going to get small letter A. If you're not getting capital small letter, if A implies B means we will be moving to the B production. So I'm going to check in the B production. Any small letter B is there. Any small letter B is there. If it is not there, we will be continuing the production. If the production has been continued, I'll repeat once again. If the production is continued, we need to check. Otherwise, if it is not there, we will stop as it is. If you're going to get epsilon, we will solve coming this one. So for this particular case, so first of X, what you got the first in this particular case? So directly you got the terminal. Small letter you got small a. So I'll write as it is small a. That's all. So I'll not concentrate on B. Why you will not concentrate on B means the B production they have not continued. Only they have given X implies small a B. Capital B, the production they have not continued there. So that I'll stop here only the solution. If you see the second problem, for example, X implies A, B, C. So that I'm going to continue my A production here. A implies what they have given? Small letter A they have given. So next I'm going to continue my production. B implies small b I'm going to take. Then C implies small letter C is there. this is what, if you see this particular question, you have not got epsilon in this particular case. You got here non-terminal part only you got here. So solution, what I am going to do, that is first of x I am going to concentrate here. First of x, what you got here? First of a I got here. First of a you will be getting. What you will be getting first of a, you need to concentrate on your terminal part. You need to concentrate on your terminal part. In this particular a, we have got only small a. We have not continued the B production in the A. So that I am going to stop the solution here. I'll solve few more problems, don't worry. Two problems, I'm concentrating on these two problems. If you understood this, we will move to the epsilon, this one. Shall I explain once again, or have you understood? First two problems.
Understood.
I want Rohan, shall I explain once again? Any doubts you got, Rohan?
Understood, sir.
Okay, copy these two programs, we will solve further more problems. Once you completed, you just inform me, we will move to the third program along with epsilon 1. I'll take. These are the problems they will not ask in your examination. One problem is there, important problem. I will be solving that one. That problem 200% they will be asking in your examination. To know that particular problem, these are the basic things you want. In the examination, nobody will ask, just to find the x implies AB. Some standard problem is there. To solve that standard problem, we will be using these basic things. Once you completed, you just inform me, we will move to the third problem. Rajita?
Yes, sir.
It guarantee question amma, first and follow. 2010
Okay, sir.
scheme guarantee question 200% ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡೋವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೀನು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆದರೆ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ನಿನಗೆ. ಆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡೋದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ.
Okay, sir.
So if you have completed two problems, you just inform me, we'll move to the third one. ಸಾಯಿ ಪ್ರತಿಮಾ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನಮ್ಮ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಲ ಟೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್? ಸಾಯಿ ಪ್ರತಿಮಾ? ಓಕೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ? ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ? Okay, shall we move to the third problem? If you have completed two problems, shall I move to the third one? See, you have to respond so that I will be thinking
Yes,
that
sir.
you're okay. We will move to the third problem then. So third problem, let us do x implies a, b, c. So we are going to continue the production now. A implies, don't write anything, observe. If you understood, you can write, or I am going to write it as what? Epsilon. I'll take it as A or epsilon. So now I am going to continue my B production. So B implies only small b. So C also is there. X implies capital ABC. I'll take C implies small c. Don't write anything. Observe here. If you see first of x, what you will be getting? First of A you will be getting. From the first of A, what you will be getting the non-terminal part? What you will be getting the non-terminal? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
A along with A, epsilon is there. Epsilon is also a terminal. So that I'll be writing here A comma. Don't write anything. Just you see here how I'm going to solve the problem. Epsilon is also terminal. So I'm going to write A comma epsilon. So whenever epsilon is there, I'll repeat once again. Whenever you're going to get the epsilon part, so that is what the step 2 he has told. That is step 3. Whenever you're going to get the epsilon, add epsilon to the first of x. That means that I'll repeat once again, just observe here. Whenever you're going to get an epsilon, so we have completed the A part. Next you have to move with respect to the B part. For example, A we have completed the production, yes or no? So A, in the A you got A as well as epsilon. I have written A as well as epsilon. So next what you will be doing, if epsilon arises here, so that we will be taking as, which we will be taking in the epsilon, we will be calculating first of B. So we will be calculating in the epsilon part first of B. I will be calculating in the epsilon part. A we have completed. I'll repeat once again. Wherever you are going to get the epsilon, you have to make continuation of your production. So we have completed A. Next, which is the production is there. If you see in the starting, X implies A we have completed. So next is B. So that we will be calculating first of B. If you see first of B, what is the terminal you will be getting? Anybody? What is the terminal part you are going to get?
B.
B, only B you will be getting. So that I am going to write as it is, only B. So whenever I am going to combine the result, so A along with B. So in this particular case, epsilon is not there in the B. If epsilon is there, I would have been continued for the C. So I'll stop here the solution. So overall solution you are going to get as A with respect to A, B with respect to B. This is what you will be getting. Have you understood, or shall I explain once again? You can ask me, sir, why you are not taken C? Why I have not taken C means, if epsilon would have been there in the B part, I would have been continued the production to calculate the C. If in the B production, we need to concentrate on your B production. Only small b you got, so that I am going to stop the solution by taking the terminal part. So finally, I am going to conclude first of A plus first of B, so that you are going to get the result as A comma B. Have you understood, or shall I explain it once again? Have you understood, or shall I explain once again? Vivek,
Understood.
Rohan, huh?
Excuse me, sir.
Ayyanamma.
Sir, if we'll get epsilon at CA terminal means what we'll do, sir?
That next problem I'll solve, Nivedita. Fourth problem I'll do. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. Third problem, we are moving with the basics. That's all. Fourth problem I'll solve for both the epsilon. Now this problem I'm asking whether have you understood or if you got any doubt.
Understood, sir.
Okay. If you understood, write this problem. We will move to the next one with both epsilon I'll take. ಶ್ರೇಯ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ? ರೋಹನ್, ಶ್ರೇಯ, ಸಾಯಿ ಪ್ರತಿಮಾ.
Understood, sir.
Okay, okay. Once you completed, just inform me. We will move to the next problem with both epsilon alpha. These are the problem they will not ask in your examination. Whatever the problem tomorrow I am going to know. Very, very important. To solve the tomorrow's problem, these are the basic things. If you know this basic concept, all those things, within a fraction of a second, you can solve that particular problem. To know the basics of tomorrow's problem, today I am going to do some understanding problems today. Once you completed, just inform me. I'll move to the next problem.
Completed, sir.
Okay. We'll move to the next problem then. So we will go x implies a b c sorry. Once again, X implies A, B, C. Now I'm going to continue my A production. So if A is A or epsilon, I'll take now in this particular case. A or epsilon. Next I'm going to continue my production. B implies small b or epsilon, I will take. Next I'm going to continue my production once again. C implies small c, I will take. So this is what the solution they are given. Don't write anything, just observe here. So we need to calculate the first of x you will be getting. What you will be getting? First of x you will be getting. First of x is your first of a. I am going to get. What you will be getting in the first of a? First of a you will be getting anyone? Terminals? Anybody?
A and epsilon, sir.
A comma epsilon I'll take. Yes, A comma epsilon I am going to take. So epsilon is there, so that we can't stop here. We need to continue my production. So instead of in the epsilon part, what we need to do? We need to make a continuation of my production. That is first of B. I am going to calculate here. If you see first of B, what you will be getting the terminal part? You concentrate on the terminal part. So which are the terminals you will be getting in the B? Just observe here. What you will be getting in the B? What are the terminals you are going to get?
B comma epsilon, sir.
B comma epsilon you will be getting. Yes, B comma epsilon you are going to get. So that I can't stop my production. Once again epsilon is there. We need to continue my production along with the C part also. So that I am going to calculate here first of here first of C. Can you tell me what are the terminals you will be getting?
C, sir.
Only C you will be getting. There is no epsilon here. So that I am going to stop here. So that finally my result I am going to combine A plus B plus C. So that final solution you are going to get it as what? A comma B comma C. Have you understood, or shall I repeat it once again? Have you understood, or shall I repeat it once again?
Understood, sir.
Okay, you can write it. So we'll move to the next problem where we write it. Once you completed, you just inform me. Once you completed, you just inform me. We'll move to the one more problem. Once again, I'm telling you this. These problems they'll not ask in examination. To solve the tomorrow's problem, these are the basic things you want. Whatever the thing I'm going to solve tomorrow's problem, that is important from your examination point of view. Most of the question paper, if you refer any question paper, not any question paper, all question paper, they are going to give the problem. All the question paper will be getting that particular problem. This time also you can expect that one. So that particular problem I'll do it tomorrow. To solve that particular problem, these are the basic things you want. If you have completed, just inform me. We will move to the next problem.
Sir.
Completed?
Sir, completed, sir.
Okay, we'll move to the next problem on. So other possible combination, what they can give, we will see. So that is x implies x implies what they can give. So we are going to continue the production. X implies capital ABC. So we'll continue the production. A implies small a or epsilon they may give, or they'll be giving. B implies they may give small b or epsilon. C implies capital C small c or epsilon. Can you solve this problem? Try to do it by yourself and you tell me what is the final solution you are going to get. For C also epsilon I am giving. Just solve by yourself and tell me what is the final solution you are going to get. Epsilon is also terminal.
A comma B comma C comma epsilon, sir.
That's all. Yes, correct solution. A comma B comma C comma epsilon, correct. So if you want to complete, you complete it. I'll give time. If once you are going to complete, you just tell me. We'll move to the follow concept. Some follow I'll tell, and some few basic problems will go to the follow. If you want to complete completely, you complete it. Once you complete it, you just inform me. We'll move to the follow part. Answer what you are going to get is first of x. You will be getting. If you see a part, you will be getting a comma epsilon. Epsilon is there, so that I am going to get b. If you see b in the epsilon you got, so that we'll move to the C production. So you're going to get C. In the C also you got epsilon, so that C comma epsilon is there. This is what the solution will be getting. So once you completed, you just inform me. We'll move to the follow part. ರಜಿತ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯೇನಮ್ಮ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Once you completed, you just inform me. We'll move to the follow sets. Once you completed, you just inform me. We'll move to the follow. Shall I move to the follow? Rohan,
Yes, sir.
Vivek. Okay. Vivek, ಆಗಿದೆಯೇನಪ್ಪ ಹೋಗ್ಲಾ ಫಾಲೋಗೆ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
Okay, okay. We'll move to the follow then. So if you see the follow, ಏನಮ್ಮ? Anybody?
ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಲೈಕ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಆ ತರ
ಏನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೇಯ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಫಾಲೋಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಶ್ರೇಯಾ?
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಇದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್.
Okay, so we'll move to the follow. In the follow also you will be applying 3 steps here. What are the 3 steps you will be getting means, so whenever we are going to solve the follow, we need to follow 3 steps. First is, whenever if you are going to get capital S is your start symbol, not only S, you can have anything. Okay, you will be placing, you are going to place dollar, you will be placing, I'll use this particular character, place dollar. While solving the problem we will understand everything. Place dollar in follow of yes, follow of yes. While solving the problem you will understand. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you, that whatever the dollar you are going to use, no, the dollar symbol we will be representing as your input right marker. So whatever the dollar we will be using, the dollar we used to say it as what? Input right marker. This is what the first step we will be applying in your follow step. So these 3 steps, whatever the steps I told in the first with respect to 3 points, whatever the follow we are going to refer 3 points, everything is there in the notes. Okay, whatever the notes I sent yesterday to your group, no, everything is there. Once you go through it, if you have understood, it's well and good. If you are finding any difficulties, if you find any difficulty to understand, so that you can call me and you can ask me the doubts, or in the regular class itself you can ask me, it's not a problem. Okay, first, okay, in the follow we, whenever if S is